Chloe Anderson. I'll be your student physical therapist today from the University of St. Augustine. So we're going to be doing some auscultation, basically just listening to your abdominal sounds, and then also I'll be listening to your arteries as well in that region. Is that something that you're comfortable with? Okay. First, I'm going to put this on. Make sure that it is engaged, and it is. So what I'm going to do is I'll start in the right lower quadrant. I'm listening for any type of abdominal sounds. It might sound like water trickling. And I'm going to count for 1 minute the number of sounds that I hear. And I would do that in each quadrant. If I hear under 4 or under 5 sounds, then that would be considered hypofrequency. And if I were to hear over 35 sounds, then that would be considered hyperfrequency. Alright, and then next we're going to go ahead and listen to the sounds of the artery, the auscultations of the artery. So we're going to go to the abdominal aorta. And an abnormal assessment would be any sounds of bruits, which would sound like a swishing sound. And then I would move to the renal arteries. On both sides. And then below the umbilicus, I would be listening to the iliac arteries on both sides. And then the lowest ones would be the femoral artery. And that would be a normal assessment because I did not hear any